Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Financeable. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Bitso account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search Bitso login. Once you make search, you'll find login for personal account under Bitso. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials, which includes your email or your ID and your password. And just click here to prove that you are not a robot. In case you forgot your password, you can click here and reset it. If not, then just simply log in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time.